Hey guys, yep, I'm back here again with another reaction video today. It's been quite a while since I done one, so it might be a good time for me to do another one today. so the video we're gonna react to do today is Christian the EAS guy's Little Einsteins EAS scenario, and yes, this is the first and this is the very first time that, again, I started watching EAS scenarios, since that seemed to be a big hit with most people. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Also, shout out to Christian the EAS guy for this video. And like I said, let's begin. Wow, that was interesting. Okay. Yep, here's the disclaimer. And here we go. What the heck? Oh, I know what's happening.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins.
I would dance if I wanted to, but I'm just speechless.
We're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4,
Okay guys, this might be the first time, but I'm a little shaky.
to rocket, rev it up now. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, come on, let's go. Little Einsteins, we need you. Little Einsteins, yeah.
I have no words. And here we go, straight to the point.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Franklin County Sheriff's Office. An unusual and dangerous situation is unfolding in the city of Columbus. At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, numerous 911 calls were given that a strange flying object was flying around the city of Columbus. The object was carrying 4 figures, and the 4 figures were reported causing crimes such as assault, grand theft, robbery, and vandalism. The flying
Pretty
object and the four
juvenile
figures
stuff.
were reported attacking random civilians without any warning. A proper description on the flying object or the four figures are unavailable at this time, but based on civilian reports, the flying object and the four figures looked like a popular kid show called the Little Einsteins. No identifying characteristics can be identified at this time.
Considering.
All residents within Franklin County are advised to remain vigilant at this time. If you see the flying object or one of the four figures, do not approach them and call 911 immediately. If any of the four figures has attempted to break into your home, use armed protection by all means if necessary. This also includes lethal force. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
Okay, so this is the first one, short and sweet, simple as that. So, yep, there seems to be a big situation going on. I mean, not too huge just yet. Four figures that look like the Little Einsteins and a flying object? Wonder where they came from, or how did they get here? It's obvious they're rocket. However, they are not normal Little Einsteins? Oh, they're EXEs. Right. Later on today, the four figures and the flying object start doing something terrible. And what is that?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Franklin County Sheriff's Office in association with the Columbus Police Department. Civil danger warning now in effect for the following counties: Franklin, Delaware, Fairfield, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Morrow, Perry, Pickaway, Madison, and Union until further notice. A dangerous situation is unfolding in the city of Columbus. At 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the four figures and the flying object that was previously mentioned 30 minutes ago have been reported dropping deformed instruments and musical notes. When an instrument or musical note is near you, it will play deformed music, killing the person in the process. Over 50 people have been killed as a result from these attacks. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be ignored. If you are in the Warren counties in Ohio, you are advised to seek shelter immediately with all windows and doors locked until the threat is past. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Okay. First, it was just the Little Einsteins, but now deformed instruments and musical notes? Like, what in the world? That's just completely random. Something completely random. Like, what? I'm lost for words again. Just what? You then start to think about the four figures and the flying objects soon, and you start fearing the worst case scenario. Whatever the crap that said. You start to get scared about it, but your friend tells you to calm down. Even if they're clones, they were probably weak. But what they didn't know, the Little Einsteins are mind-controlled? Wait, so they are possessed or something? Meanwhile, with police officers... Oh, wait, this seems different. Yep.
This is the Columbia's police. Start the vehicle now.
They can't hear us.
Don't worry, we'll catch them. Once we do, they are gonna be facing death rows for their crimes.
Dude. You do realize that vehicle is rocket from the Little Einsteins. If the four Little Einsteins are in there, they can make rocket go super fast.
Okay, let's pause right here for a second. I just want to get something out real quick. About the super fast thing. For anyone on the wiser, it's something the Little Einsteins do when they want to get somewhere quickly as possible. And for those still none the wiser, I'll insert a clip of that thing right now. Roll the clip.
Rocket as fast as he can go. Super fast. Will you help me fly Rocket super fast?
No!
Great! Super fast! Super fast!
No!
To get to super fast, we have to start at Adagio. Pat the beat on your lap slowly. Moderato. Now pat the beat on your tummy a little faster.
Now pat the beat on your shoulders even faster! Now reach your arms to the sky and shake your whole body! We did it! We're flying super fast!
And back into it.
Shoot! I didn't know about that one.
We are going to notify dispatch about this and possibly send out a civil danger warning for the whole Franklin County.
You're right. I'll notify dispatch.
Come in, officers.
Dispatch, we have figured out who the four figures and the flying rocket are. It turns out the four figures are believed to be the four little Einsteins. The names are Leo, Annie, Quincy, and June. And they are riding the flying object which is named as rockets. And they are considered to be extremely dangerous. Issue a civil danger warning now.
Crap. I'll do that right away. Thanks for telling me, Officer Rob. Stay safe.
10-4, thank you.
A while later.
Sunday, showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Okay, this
Breezy
is
with
kind of
highs around
different.
70.
We're now listening
Temperatures
to the
falling to
snap
around
to
60
the,
in the afternoon.
alert from a radio.
South winds 20 to 25 miles an
That's
hour,
new.
becoming southwest in the afternoon. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Sunday night, showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Franklin County Sheriff's Office in conjunction with the Columbus Police Department. This is an update to the previous civil danger warning that was issued at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The four figures in the flying object continue to drop deformed musical notes and instruments in the city of Columbus. The four figures were reported to have weapons with them to attack civilians. The first figure was reported to use a baton to slice through the person. The second figure was reported singing so deformed that the person couldn't take it and died in the process. The third figure can dance violently to attack civilians, and the fourth figure was reported playing drums or a trumpet to play deformed music. In addition,
Oh. Oh! What was that? Was that supposed to be Leo or something? My God, what happened? Did the NOA radio weather station get hijacked? I think it just did. Later on the day, Nathan Stephen explains what's going on.
Good afternoon, everyone, as you are tuning into 99.9 National Radio Station, your #1 source for sports, weather, and news. I am Nathan Stevens. Right now we have a dangerous situation unfolding in Franklin County. The Little Einsteins, known as Leo, Annie, June, Quincy, and their rocket have been reported causing even more destruction in the Columbus metropolitan area. After the young bombers heard about the truth of Christian Eggs and the master of the Eggs clones, the leader, Christian the Warrior, decided to take action and have his team fight them. Bobby the Warrior, I understand what decision he had made, because he lied to him and Christian went solo with his team. Everyone in the world is currently praying for Christian during this difficult time for him, and hopefully he can pull through this. No further information on the Master of the Eggs clones, but the young bombers are currently trying to figure out what the full name is. But based on right now, his first name is Christian. No last name can't be found at this time, but we urge you to stay vigilant at this time. All residents that are currently being attacked by the Little Einsteins must seek shelter immediately. You are still urged to not panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. The young bombers are willing to give everything to take down the Eggs clones once and for all. The members of the young bombers are currently at this time: Christian the Warrior, Jared the Killer Master, Pluto, Ace, Kian, Ultimate Gold, Josian the Creator 2K11, Adrimax 27, Tsubasa Tori, Tristan the Red Giganotosaurus, Reese the British Cowboy, and Courtney the Cowgirl. Alright folks, let's check in for the 99.9 weather forecast. It's Aaron Lopez. Thank you, Nathan, and so far we are having a cold storm coming our way for the north of the United States. States that are going to be affected by the cold are northern states, with temperatures all week going to be in the low 10s. It is currently 32 degrees for the northeastern U.S., 22 degrees in the north-central U.S., 78 degrees for southwestern, 84 for the south-central, and 89 degrees for the southeastern. I'm Aaron Lopez, and that's your weather forecast on 90.
What just happened? Is an EAS alert about to go off again? Okay, whatever's happened is probably going ahead here. Or I don't know what I just said. Maybe just a few seconds time lapse would do.
One pair of pants later.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police. Civil danger warning for all of Franklin County until further notice. The Little Einsteins and Rocket have been reported dropping more cured musical notes and instruments playing deformed music. It has been reported that either the four Little Einsteins can hijack TV stations or radio stations. We are going on a trip. INR. Favorite. Rocket. Ship. Zooming. Through. The. Sky. Little. Einsteins. EXEU. Will. All. Die. Soon. Under. Master. Boris. Anderson.
What? The Master DXE clones was Boris Anderson? The guy that, I don't know. The whole time? What? To be concluded? Wait. That's the end of it? Yeah, I'm just gonna